We'll start with relaxation. It's not always necessary in hypnotic work, but it feels really good. And besides the process I will take you through now, it's very useful. We call it progressive muscle relaxation. When you're tired or having trouble falling asleep, you can use this process. So just imagine now that you are standing beneath a beautiful beam of light. Beautiful, bright, brilliant. This light is healing, loving, gentle, very caring. And you are allowing this light to enter your body and spread gently. And as it does, it will help you to release tension and it will help you to relax. So imagine this light now is washing over your forehead, eyebrows, eyelids, nose, cheeks, lips. And the face completely relaxes now. That's right. And it's flow through your jaws, and the jaws may unlock a little and drop. And that will help you to relax deeper. And now this light flows through your neck and shoulders. Neck and shoulders relax deeply now. And as this light flows through your arms, washing over your elbows, moving through the wrist, reaching the hands, and even every finger now is filled with this light. By that time, some people would report that they have tingling sensation, or a pleasant wave of warmth flowing through the hands. Some people say the hands feel lighter, and some say the opposite. They feel heavier and heavier and heavier. Either way is fine. We all experience that deep relaxation in different ways. And there is no wrong or right way. As long as you can relax and enjoy it, it's all that matters now. And that light flows now through your chest and stomach, relaxing the chest and the stomach completely now. And even every organ inside you gets filled with that beautiful light, bringing you the sense of that peace and calmness. And this light is flowing through your back now, washing over every disc of the spine, releasing the tension, relaxing every joint, every muscle, every fiber, relaxing so completely now. And as this light is flowing through the hips and thighs, get relaxed completely, and it's washing over your knees, and the knees become relaxed. And as this light is flowing through the calves and ankles, and I'll just send this wave of complete relaxation all the way down to the tips of your toes, letting it go completely now. Sinking, drifting, floating down, deep and deeper and deeper and deeper. Feeling safe and secure all the way through. And you are safe and secure here. Otherwise you wouldn't be here.